Want to code faster and smarter in Python? Here are 5 powerful shortcuts that will instantly boost your skill. Watch till the end and comment which one surprised you the most. Tired of using extra steps just to swap two numbers? In Python, you do not need a temporary variable. Just write a comma b equal to b comma a and one line 0 helps you. Still using loops just to print a list? Stop that. Python has a shortcut. Use print star list. It removes brackets and make your output clean and easy to read. Try it out. Need to create a dictionary fast? Forget loops. Just use zip keys value inside tick and Python does the work for you. Super clean and super quick. Want to check if at least one value in a list is true? No need to loop. Just use any. It returns true instantly if there is even one true value. Saves time, keeps your code clean. Need to pause your Python program for a few seconds just to use time.sleep. No extra setup needed. Perfect for delays, animation, or waiting before the next step.